Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this video, we will solve examples of problem set 3, question number 2 to 7 from the chapter Arithmetic Progression. Question number 2, find the fourth term from the end in an AP minus 11, minus 8, minus 5 and last term is 49. So here the given AP is minus 11, minus 8, minus 5 and last term is 49. You have to find the fourth term from end. So here reversing the AP, reversing the given AP, if we reverse the arithmetic progression, it does not change. Then it remains same. It does not change, so we will reverse the AP. After reversing the given sequence, the sequence which is obtained is also an arithmetic progression. So the given sequence minus 5, minus and minus 11. Now here the first term is 49. We have to find fourth term. So A is equal to 49. The common difference D is equal to minus 8 minus 5, which is equal to minus 8 plus 5, that is equal to minus 3. So D is equal to minus 3. So for the given AP, we have to find fourth term. So A is equal to 49. D is equal to minus 3. We have to find the fourth term, so that is T4 is equal to question mark. So for the given AP, the formula to find fourth term, that is for an AP, Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So we have to find for n is equal to 4, T4, fourth term is equal to A 49 plus n, which is 4 minus 1 into D is minus 3. Now simplifying, therefore the fourth term T4 is equal to 49 plus 4 minus 1 is 3 into minus 3. Therefore T4 fourth term is equal to 49 plus, here it is minus 9, that is 49 minus 9, that is equal to 40. So fourth term of an AP is 40. Question number 3. In an AP, 10th term is 46. Sum of 5th term and 7th term is 52. Find the AP. So here given thing is 10th term of an AP, that is T10 is equal to 46, and sum of second thing which is given is sum of 5th term and 7th term. Sum of 5th term and 7th term is 52, that is 5th term T5 plus T7, sum of 5th term and 7th term, which is equal to 52. Now, as we know that Tn for an AP, Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. In this formula, for n is equal to 10, T10, we substitute when is equal to 10. So T10 is equal to A plus n is equal to 10 minus 1 into D. Now T10 is given as 46. We will substitute this value here. So 46 is equal to A plus 10 minus 1, 9D. This will be our equation in two variables. Equation number 1 in variable A and D. That is 46 is equal to A plus 9D. Now for the value of, for n is equal to 5 and n is equal to 7, simultaneously we will substitute the value in the formula. Now for n is equal to 5, for n is equal to 5 and n is equal to 7, here we have t5. It is given that t5 fifth term plus 7th term is equal to 52. Therefore, substituting in this formula, Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. For n is equal to 5, we get here a, equation a plus 5 minus 1 into d plus a plus 7 minus 1 for n is equal to 7. In the same formula, we substitute n is equal to 7. So 7 minus 1 into d, which is equal to 52. Therefore, we get here a plus 4d plus a plus 7 minus 1, 6d is equal to 52. Therefore, the equation next step, a plus a will be 2a, a plus a is 2a plus 4d plus 6d. 4d plus 6d is equal to 10d is equal to 52. Now dividing this equation throughout by 2, dividing by 2, we get here, divide equation by 2, equation by 2, we get here a plus 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10, 5d is equal to 2 1s are 2, 26, 2 2s are 4 and 2 6s are 12. That is equation number 2. Now taking equation 1 and 2 together, that is a plus 9d is equal to 46, a plus 9d is equal to 46, equation number 1. Okay, and second equation, that is simultaneous equation, a plus 5d is equal to 26, equation number 2. Solving these two equations simultaneously. So here we will subtract the equation second from 1. So changing the sign of second equation, minus a, minus 5d and minus 26. Subtracting the equation, we get here a minus a, we get cancelled 0. 90 minus 5d is equal to 4d. 46 minus 26 is equal to 20. Therefore, d is equal to 20 upon 4, which is equal to 5. So d is equal to 5. Put value of d, put d is equal to 5 in equation first, in equation number 1. Here a plus 9d is equal to 46. So a plus 9 into 5 is equal to 46. So a plus 9 5s are 45 is equal to 46. So a will be equal to 46 minus 45, which is equal to 1. Okay, so here we got as a is equal to, value of a is 1 and d is 5. So here the AP we can write as first term t1 is equal to a, which is equal to 1, then t2 is equal to a plus d, that is t1 plus, which is equal to t1 plus d. So t2 second term is equal to t1 is 1 plus 5, which is equal to 6, and t3 is equal to t2 plus d, which is 6 plus 5, which is equal to 11. t4 is equal to t3 plus d, that is 11 plus 5, which is equal to 16, and so on. So the required AP is required arithmetic progression is, the first term is 1, second term 1 plus 5, that is 6, 6 plus 5 11, 11 plus 5 16, and so on is the required arithmetic progression, in which fourth term is minus 50 and ninth term is minus 30. Find the sum of first 10 numbers. So here given thing is, the given thing, this is fourth term of an AP is T4, that is equal to minus 50, and ninth term of an AP is, that is T9, is equal to minus 30. Here we have to find the sum of that is S10, 10 first 10 numbers we have to find. Now we know that for an AP, for an arithmetic progression, Tn, n term of an sequence is given by the formula Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Now for n is equal to 4, substitute the value of n is 4 in the formula Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So T4 is equal to A plus 4 minus 1 into D. So T4 is given as minus 15. Therefore, minus 15 is equal to A plus 4 minus 1 is 3D. This is equation in two variables, equation number 1. Now, for n is equal to 9, in the same formula, Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. We will substitute n is equal to 9. So T9 is equal to A plus 9 minus 1 into D. T9 is given as minus 30. So minus 30 is equal to A plus 9 minus 1 is 8D. Equation number 2. Now we will take these two equations, equation 1 and 2 together. So first equation, that is equation number 1, is A plus 3D is equal to minus 15. A plus 3D is equal to minus 15, equation number 1, and A plus 8D is equal to minus 30, that is equation number 2. A plus 8D is equal to minus 30, equation number 2. Now we will solve this two equations simultaneously. Solving this equation simultaneously, so change the sign. We will subtract the equation 2 from 1, so it will become minus A. Here minus 8D, minus 30 will become plus 30. So subtracting equation second from first, we will get here A minus A will get cancelled. 3D minus 8D is equal to minus 5D. Here 30 minus 15 is equal to 15. Therefore, D is equal to 15 upon minus 5, which is equal to minus 3. So value of D is minus 3. Now put D is equal to minus 3. Substitute the value of D minus 3 in equation first. So equation 1 is A plus 3D is equal to minus 15. In equation first, we will substitute value of D as minus 3. So here we will get the value of A now. So 3 into minus 3 is equal to minus 15. So A, 3 into minus 3 is minus 9 is equal to minus 15. So A is equal to minus 15 plus 9, that is A is equal to minus 6. So value of A is minus 6. Now here we have to find the sum of first 10 numbers. We have to find the sum of first 10 numbers. So A is equal to, we got A is equal to minus 6, D is equal to minus 3. Here we have to find S10, sum of first 10 numbers. So the formula to find sum of n terms, that is Sn is equal to n upon 2 bracket 2A plus n minus 1 into D. Substitute the value of A, D and n. We get S10 is equal to 10 upon 2 bracket 2 into A, that is minus 6 plus n is 10 minus 1 into minus 3. D is equal to minus 3. Therefore, here 2 ones are 2, 2 5s are 10. Therefore, S10 is equal to 5 into 2 into minus 6 is equal to minus 12 plus 9 into minus 3, which is S10 is equal to 5 into minus 12, 9 things are 27 plus into minus 27. So S10 is equal to 5 into minus 12 minus 27 is minus 39. So 5 into minus 39, multiplying 5 9 the 45, carry 4, 5 3 the 50, plus 4 is 90, and plus into minus is minus. So sum of first 10 number is minus 195. For example, two given APs are 9, 7, 5 and 24, 21, 18, so on. If n term of both this progression are equal, then we have to find the value of n, and what is the n term we have to find. So here the given two APs are, here first AP is, that is 9, 7, 5, and the second AP is 24, 21 and 18. 21 and 18. These are two AP. So here in the given arithmetic progression, the here first term of this AP, first AP is 9. Common difference is 7 minus 9, which is equal to 2. And here the first term of the AP is 24, and the common difference is 21 minus 24, which is equal to minus 3. Now n term of this both AP, Tn of first AP is equal to Tn of the second. Both the AP Tn's are equal. So we know the formula of to find Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. N term of both the progression are given equal. So Tn of the first AP is equal to Tn of the second. Nth term of the both the APs are equal. So Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, as well as here on right hand side of equal to sign a plus n minus 1 into d. Now we will substitute on left hand side the values of a and d. Here a is equal to 9, n minus 1 into d is equal to minus 2, and on right hand side we substitute a is equal to 24 and d is equal to minus 3. So a is equal to 24 plus n minus 1 into d is equal to minus 3. Now solving this expression, so 9 plus, here multiply by minus 2, so minus 2 into n, that is minus 2n, minus 2 into 1, minus 1, that is plus 2 is equal to 24. Here also minus 3 into n is minus 3n, and minus 3 into 1 is plus 3. Therefore 9 plus 2 is equal to 11 minus 2n is equal to 24 plus 2 is plus 3. 24 plus 3 is 27 minus 3n. Now taking n on one side, we get here minus 2n plus 3n. This minus 3 will come on, 3n will come on left hand side of equal to sign, it will become plus 3n, and 27, this 11 will go on right hand side, it will become minus 11. So 3n minus n, 2n, 3n minus 2n is equal to n is equal to 11 minus 27 minus 11 is equal to 16. So value of n is 16. Now we have to find n term of an AP. So here we have what? A is equal to value of a as any you can take. First we'll take here a as 9 and d is equal to minus 2, and for n is equal to 16 we have to find Tn. Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So T 16th term of an AP is, that is n term of an AP, 9 plus 16 minus 1 into minus 2, that is T16 is equal to 9 plus 15 into minus 2, which is equal to 9 minus 30. So 9 minus 30 is equal to minus 21. So nth term of an AP is minus 21. Example, if sum of third term and eighth term of an AP is 7 and sum of 7th term and 14th term of an arithmetic progression is minus 3, then find 10th term of an arithmetic progression. So here given thing is given sum of third term T3 plus 8th term, sum of third term and 8th term is equal to 7. This is the first thing which is given, and second thing which is given is sum of 7th term T7 plus 14th term T14 is equal to minus 3. We have to find the 10th term. Okay, so here we have to find T10. Now, using the formula for an AP, we know for an arithmetic progression, Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Using this formula, we will form two equations in two variable. So here for n is equal to 3 and n is equal to 8, for n is equal to t, for n is equal to 3 and n is equal to 8, we will substitute n is equal to 3 and 8 in the formula. Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So we get here sum of, that is T3 plus T8 is equal to, so in this expression we will put n is equal to, so T for n is equal to a plus 3 minus 1 into d plus, again a plus for n is equal to 8 minus 1 into d is equal to 7. So the equation we get here, a plus 3 minus 1 is 2d, so we will get a plus, therefore a plus 2d plus a plus 8 minus 1 is 7, so plus a plus 7d is equal to 7. Therefore a plus a is equal to 2a plus 2d plus 7d is equal to 2 plus 7 is 9d, which is equal to 7. This is our equation number first, equations in two variable. Now for n is equal to 7 and n is equal to 14, for n is equal to 7 and n is equal to 14, we have the expression here. It is given T7 plus T14 is equal to minus 3. So in this Tn formula, we will put n is equal to 7 and n is equal to 14. So we will get here a plus 7 minus 1 into d plus a plus 14 minus 1 into d is equal to minus 3. Now a plus 7 minus 1 is 6, d plus a plus 14 minus 1 is equal to 13d is equal to minus 3. Now here a plus a is equal to 2a plus 6 plus 13 is equal to 19d, which is equal to minus 3, equation number 2. Now we will take these two, both the equations together, equation 1 and equation 2, and we will solve them simultaneously. So 2a plus 9d is equal to 7, equation number 1, and 2a plus 19d is equal to minus 3, which is equation number 2. Now subtracting this equation, changing the sign of second equation, minus 2a minus 19d, and here minus 3 will become plus 3. So subtracting equation second from 1. So 2a minus 2a will get cancelled. 10d minus 19d is minus 9d, minus 19d is equal to minus 10d, which is equal to 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. So therefore here d is equal to 10 divided by minus 10, which is equal to minus 1. Now substituting the value of d is equal to minus 1 in equation first. So put d is equal to minus 1 in equation number first. Our equation number 1 is 2a plus 9d is equal to 7, and we will find value of a. So equation 1, 2a plus 9d is equal to 7. So put d is equal to minus 1, 2a, 9 into minus 1 is equal to 7. So 2a minus 9 1 9, that is plus into minus, minus 9 is equal to 7. So 2a is equal to 7 plus 9, which is equal to 16, and a is equal to 16 upon 2, which is equal to 8. So here we got the values of a, as a is equal to 8, d is minus 1, we have to find the 10 term, t10 is equal to question mark. So we will find here t10. So for an AP, tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So therefore for n is equal to 10, 10th term of an AP, t10 is equal to a is 8 plus 10 minus 1 into d is minus 1. The value of d is minus 1, substitute the value. So here 8 plus 9 into minus 1, that is 8 plus 9 into minus 1 is minus 9. So the 10th term of an AP, T10 is equal to minus 1. So 10th term of an AP arithmetic progression is minus 1. Seventh example, in an arithmetic progression AP, the first term is minus 5 and the last term is 45. Here, if sum of the all terms of an AP is 120, then how many terms are there in AP and what is the common difference? So here given thing is the first term, that is A, is the first term of an arithmetic progression, which is minus 5, and the last term Tn is equal to 45. It is also given that sum of all numbers, that is Sn, is equal to 120. Now here we have to find the number of terms, and first we have to find n, and then we have to find the common difference d is equal to question mark. Okay, we have to find the value of n, number of terms, and common difference of an arithmetic progression. Now to find n, we use the formula, the alternate formula of Sn, sum of n terms of an AP, is equal to n upon 2 bracket a plus tn. N upon 2 bracket a plus tn. To find sum of n terms, we have to use this formula. When first and last term is given, we have to use this formula to find sum of all terms. Now here Sn is given, therefore Sn is equal to 120 is equal to n upon 2 bracket a is equal to minus 5, tn is 45. Now this 2 will get multiplied here, therefore 120 into 2 is equal to n into 45 minus 5 is equal to 40. Therefore n value of n is equal to here 120 into 2, change the sides of equality. So changing the sides, this 120 into 2 divided by 40. Here 40 is multiplication, it will come down, it will get divided. So now divide 120, 0 0 cancel, 4 1 are 4, 4 3 are 12. So n is equal to 3 into 2, which is equal to n is equal to 6. Value of n is equal to 6. Now here we have to find common difference. So a is equal to minus 5, b is equal, tn last term is given as 45, n is equal to 6, and here we have to find d. So using tn formula, tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Therefore here tn is 45 is equal to a minus 5 plus n is equal to 6 minus 1 into d. Therefore here 45, this 5 will come on left hand side, it will become plus 5 is equal to 6 minus 1 is equal to 5 into d. Therefore 45 plus 5 is 50 is equal to 5 into d. Therefore D common difference D is equal to 50 upon 5, which is equal to 10. So the first term, that is the number of terms are the answer, final answer, n is equal to 6 and common difference D is equal to 10. One arithmetic progression.